guys, welcome back. My name is Mikayla and I am the Director of Operations here at Nia Beauty. I am going to walk you through how I achieved this beautiful fresh face nude look. I think a fresh face is so beautiful for the start of the new year, so I'm really excited to share with you guys my favorite tips and tricks and favorite products on how to achieve this look. All of the products will be listed in the description below, as well as links to everything that I talk about, so let's get started. Alright, so to start out my face, I am going to go ahead and prep my skin. I think that this is essential when it comes to getting a flawless face. The makeup just sits way better on freshly moisturized skin, and it helps blend out the cream products a lot easier. Okay, so next we are going to prime. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is my favorite to smooth over pores, and it just leaves such a flawless base for makeup, so I love, love, love this product. I will also be using the Lumi Glotion for a little bit of added glow. So for foundation, I actually don't even use foundation anymore because I feel like this product is just super lightweight. It makes me feel like I'm not wearing foundation, which I actually like that feeling of like having a fresh face, like feeling like I'm not wearing makeup but I am wearing makeup. That is my favorite look. So I am going to use my tried and true all-time favorite Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. This is in the shade 3C1 Fawn. I love this product so much. It's so good. So while I apply this, I am going to talk a little bit about Nia, what it is and what I do. So I am the Director of Operations at Nia Beauty, and that means I do a little bit of everything. I honestly, whatever needs to be done, I do it, and I love my job. I get to wear many hats and I'm just very grateful for the opportunity. But a little bit about what Nia is it's a platform where you can book a makeup artist through the app. We're also expanding it past makeup eventually, but right now it is makeup. We are building a community of makeup artists teaching clients, but not only that, we're actually creating a platform for other creators to learn from high-level makeup artists. So it really will give you an opportunity to learn, and I'm just really excited for what's to come. We are building the platform to support like tutorials. I honestly, this is how I describe it, like YouTube and Instagram meet. That is what it's going to be like. We're really excited for this platform to launch. I'm really excited for you guys to get this into your hands. The app is actually already out, but we are rebranding currently, so you will see by the time this goes up, the new app should be out, so go check it out on Apple Store and Android. So before my concealer, I'm going to go in with a little bit of added glow. So this product that I'm using right now is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I will be pressing that in with a beauty blender. As you can see, it gives a little bit of an added glow to the skin. I love this product so much. For concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium beige. This is my all-time favorite concealer. I just love this stuff so much. I'm actually almost out. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. So next I'm going in with one of my favorite products of all time. This is the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Cream. And I really love this stuff because it is so easy to blend out. Literally, it was that easy. Like, look how easy that blended in. And I only use a little bit of product. Seriously, it's like my favorite of all time. So something that's really cool to me about the Nia Beauty app is that you can book a session with an experienced makeup artist, and you can book a session that is anytime that you want. So if you just need to learn like how to do your brows or how to cream contour, or even like just use cream products, it's really cool because you can book for a specific thing. So I think that's really awesome, especially if you are a beginner and you're trying to learn and you want something more personalized than like a YouTube video, for example, because you know what works for me might not work for you guys. So I think it's just really cool to be able to talk to a makeup artist like on hand. It's all through the app, and it's basically like a little virtual FaceTime call with the makeup artist of your choice. You get to choose them, and you get to go through a roster of experienced makeup artists, we actually vet every single one and take a look at their work. Not only do we vet them to make sure that they can do makeup, of course, but we vet them to make sure that they can teach makeup. So you are getting the best makeup artists out there to teach you, and we have them all on the app where you can go search through all the artists and their specialties and make sure you find the best fit for you, which I think is really cool and something I've never seen before. And I think it's really cool also that as like a makeup artist, like a beginner makeup artist, which I used to be actually before I had this job, I was a freelance makeup artist, and I thought it was just so daunting, honestly, to be a makeup artist in a world where there's so many makeup artists and so much talent, and I felt like I didn't know like how to do certain things or like tricks of the trade, you know. And I think this is a really cool platform if you are a beginner makeup artist as well, to learn and get mentored by other makeup artists like in the palm of your hand. It's really awesome, and it's a really good opportunity. And a little added bonus, if you are a makeup artist and you want to apply, it is a really, really good way to make an extra source of income, especially in the times right now. I think that's like super important. So go check it out. All right, so now I'm going in with one of my other holy grail products. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies Matte All Over Bronze Color in the shade Sunkissed. This is seriously the best cream blush I've ever tried in my life, and I love the color of it. It's like a burnt rosy tone, and I feel like it gives me that like actual sun-kissed look. I mean, that is the name, but it is so good. It just brightens up my face. I feel like blush is something that you all need. Like, this is, if you could take anything from this video, this is the product. It is so good. So I'm just gonna bring that over my nose a little bit to make it look like I got sunburnt in a good way. I just feel like it just gives you like a just went to the beach and got a tan glow. So I love it. And then I am just going to go over everything with my beauty blender and just blend it all out. All right, and here is a trick that I learned. Actually, I don't even know where I learned this, but in order to make a look super monochrome, I like to take whatever is left on that brush that I use to blend the cream contour and the cream blush on my eyes and kind of blend it out kind of as like an eyeshadow base. And I feel like this makes it look super monochromatic and it brings together the whole look. It's just the smallest difference that makes the biggest impact to me. So next I'm going back in with another concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. I like this one to brighten, so I'm gonna put just a dot under each eye and blend that out. So what I'm going to do is wait for that to dry down almost completely before I blend it out. That way it doesn't go anywhere when I try to blend it. So in the meantime, while I wait for that to dry, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Light 15, and I'm just going to set my whole face. Alright, and to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder. I'm sure you all know about this. So now that my face is set, I'm going to go in with a powder, bronzer, and blush to enhance what I already did. I'm not going to add a lot, but I am going to enhance what I did because I covered it up with setting powder. So now I'm going in with my secret weapon. You guys, I don't wear highlighter anymore. I guess I'm just not about it. I don't wear highlighter anymore. I'm just not about it anymore. I like the glow from within look, so this is where it's at. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light, and what I do is I take this and tap it all over my face, and it acts as a separate setting powder, but it also has a glow in it, and it makes you look like you're glowing from within. So like, dude, my skin looks so good. It's my secret weapon. So my favorite way to make a look more monochromatic and nude is using my bronzer that I use on my face, the powder bronzer, and using that as the first shade in my crease. So I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush and lightly put that through my crease. Just like a wash of color. I'm also going to drag that out to my temple lightly That way it's all blended together. Alright, so I am going to pop off camera and do my brows, but I am using the Precisely My Brow pencil and then also a brow styling balm. This is from Chic Brows and I'm really excited to try this. It's kind of like soap brows, but apparently this one is a little bit more moisturizing than using like a regular bar of soap, which is what I normally use. So I am going to use this to achieve the fluffy brow look. If you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about how I do that, go check out that video on my channel. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing this, but I'm gonna pop off camera really quick and do that. All right, so now I have finished my brows. They are very fluffy and bushy and I just love that look. They look so much more natural to me that way, and that is my favorite brow to do with a nude look. So that is the brow that I did. So now I'm going to go back in with a random palette. You can use any palette you want. I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of a darker brown neutral shade and put that in my crease. And I'm also going to bring that color down under my eye as well, just to smoke it out a little bit, just for a more blown out natural look. Alright, so I actually zoomed you guys in a little bit more so you can see a close-up of the brows. They're just super fluffy and you can see kind of like the individual hairs, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Now I am going to add like the final look to my eye. When doing a nude look, I like to keep things super natural, so I am just going to go ahead and use an eyeliner. I like to use a brown eyeliner for a softer look, so if that's something that you're struggling with, like using black eyeliner and feeling like it's too much, at least on a daily basis, I would definitely highly recommend using a brown liner. That way it looks a little bit more softer and casual for like everyday looks, and I feel like it brings out the blue in my eyes. So if you have blue eyes, use a brown liner. It's awesome. So I'm going to use the Benefit roller liner in brown. All right, let's see if I can do this on camera. If not, then I will be right back, but yeah, I'm going to try my best to record this. I think that eyeliner is like the hardest thing to do. I have never been good at doing eyeliner, so these look super uneven, but I am going to show you guys how I clean it up. This is so bad. I am like not the best example of how to do liner, so I will show you guys how I clean this up. So I am going to take a concealer brush with a little bit of concealer on it, and I am just going to run that right along the liner, just to make that super sharp, and I'm gonna do it across the top as well. So now I'm gonna go in with a mix of my two favorite mascaras. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic and Voluminous Carbon Black, both in Carbon Black, super black mascara, and I am going to do this. I don't normally wear lashes, so I'm just not gonna do that today. This is like a natural nude look to me, so I am not gonna put on lashes. So yeah, this is my favorite mascara combination ever. All right, so I am back with my lashes done. This is what my real lashes look like, so I'm really happy with them. And I, for the most part, don't wear fake eyelashes, so I just felt like not wearing them today, so that is what I'm going to be doing. But all that's left is lips now, so I'm going to be taking the Morphe pencil in the shade Love Bite and lining my lips. And I don't normally use a actual lipstick or liquid lip or anything like that, so I am just going to fill them in and then put some gloss over top. This is the gloss from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Crystal. I'm almost out of it because this is seriously my favorite gloss of all time, so this is the best combination. I am going to use these and then set my face and we'll be done. Alright, and for a little bit of added glow, I am going to be using the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist. This is one of my all-time favorites as well. It just gives you the best glow. It actually has like shimmer inside of it. It's so pretty. This stuff is so good, so I'm going to use this to set my face. Alright you guys, and that completes this glowy nude makeup look. I am really excited that you guys joined me today, and I am just so grateful to be in the position that I am and tell you about this new awesome platform of Nia Beauty. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, make sure to go to the link in the description below, and also search us on Instagram at Nia Beauty app, and also we are available on the App Store, and we also do have a podcast. So if you guys are interested in podcasts or any series like that, our podcast is called Nia Unfiltered, and we actually are coming out with new episodes monthly, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.